What's up? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to diagnose a failing or bad wheel bearing on your vehicle with no tools or special equipment, and I'll even show you how to pinpoint the exact wheel bearing that needs to be replaced just simply by driving it. It's usually a little bit easier to tell if it's coming from the front or the rear, but it can be very tricky to figure out if it's the left wheel or the right wheel. So the best thing to do is go ahead and take your car for a drive. Pretend we're driving here. Try to notice when you take right-hand turns or if you take left-hand turns, if the sound becomes more prominent or more louder. A good way to tell is if you're, let's just say, turning to the right slightly and you hear the noise become louder, that's usually an indicator that it's on the left side. It's always opposite from the way you're turning. Reason for that is when you turn your wheel to the right, what you're doing is you're transferring weight to the left side then, which more weight on the wheel bearing will make it kind of sing or, start to hum a lot louder. Go ahead and drive and get to the speed to where you normally hear it. And then if you just either do a light slalom, within your lane, nothing too crazy, you should hear it kind of go ring, ring, and kind of fluctuate. And make sure you notice when it gets louder what way your steering wheel is turning, because then obviously you will know. So I hope this comes through. I don't know if you can hear that, but I hear it when I go left and right. I hear it completely all the time in the rear, but in the front, only when I turn right do I hear it from the front left. Now there are times when it can the sound can bounce off of, I don't know what it does, but sometimes it can be very hard to determine. In that case, I would probably recommend you bring it in and have it, somebody do a stethoscope to it or something. It's not a very hard procedure. I don't think it should cost too much money, but definitely something to look into. But yeah, again, thank you so much. I do a lot of automotive and a lot of audio, and on the automotive side, I'm handing out free tips all day long. I don't know why you guys aren't subscribing. It's free tips. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you. Have a good one. Like, comment, subscribe down below, and yeah, have a good one.